Hi, I'm Jenny from Soap Fantasy Molds, and today I will show you how to pour and color tulips for your bouquets. You could take a single mold like this, but much faster and more efficient to pour more flowers at the same time. For example, by using mold for 6 tulips. You could buy this mold in our store. Also, we would need white soap base, liquid pigments, fragrance oil, alcohol, concentrated pigment pastes, wet towel, sponge and brush. You could make flowers in one color, but I want to make tulips with color transition. We need to melt the soap base and put it into 3 cups. Add fragrance oil, and add yellow color in the first cup, light pink in the second, and the third one will leave white. Then spray mold with alcohol and hold it with rubber bands. Because I want my tulips to be in the same color spectrum but still different from each other, I am pouring my 3 soap bases in different order and quantity. Wait until it's hard and take them out. If you want, you could shape them. To make the tulips look prettier, clean out extra soap. And now I will show you the method of coloring tulips. So, in order to color the lower part of the tulip, I will take concentrated pigment pastes and combine 2 colors, yellow and green. Slightly dipping the sponge into the paste, wipe the extra with a towel and apply it to the soap, gradually blending it. For the best result, the soap should still be warm, then the paint will hold better. If you want, you can also color the petals. For that we could use liquid pigments. I have red, orange and yellow. I just want to shade them a little bit. I'm wiping out the extra paint on a napkin and painting over the edges of the petals with a brush. If you want your shades to be even more light, just add some more water to the pigment. We got these beautiful tulips. Let them dry for a day or two and they are ready for your amazing bouquets. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy watching the process how to make beautiful tulips. It was Jenny from Soap Fantasy Molds. Please subscribe to our channel and if you like our video, give us a thumb up. See you soon!